A very good morning, everyone. Parents, family, friends. Welcome to 2020 BDW International Preschool Graduation. This is such a special event for our school and such a memorable celebration for all of you as parents. To start with our celebration, I'd like to call Miss Paul, the mother teacher of K1, to give her welcome speech.
Thank you, Dora ma'am. Good morning, everyone. A very warm welcome to our dear students and parents. Now, let me take the honor to welcome our respected Chairman Sir, Mr. Donush Siangshai, because of whom the dream of BDW International School incepted. We welcome you, sir. Thank you, sir. I now welcome our school trustee, Mrs. Nirmali Siangshai, who is the backbone of our school. We welcome you, ma'am. Now, I would like to welcome our respected principal, ma'am, Mrs. Shividya Vinay, the anchor of our ship, which is sailing towards the destination called academic excellence. I also welcome our staff members and my fellow teachers. Welcome to the BDW International School's Graduation Day Celebration 2020. I'm sure you all have been eagerly waiting for this day. And finally, this day has arrived. This is such a special event for BDW International School and such a memorable celebration for you all. Kindergarten is a true milestone year. It is a time and it is a journey for our children to remember with pride and joy, and it is a time for us to treasure forever as teachers and as parents. We are so proud of our K2 students and appreciate each and every one of you for the amount of efforts and hard work you all have put in all throughout the year. After today's celebration, you all will receive a scroll as a token of love and appreciation from all of us. So, on behalf of BDW International School team, I wish each and every one of you all the very best. May you all grow, learn, and enrich yourself more and more in the coming years. God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss Paul, for that wonderful speech. Now to move on ahead, I'd like to call Miss Pradhan, for the mother teacher of pre-nursery, to present the inauguration song.
One year older, 1 year wiser, 1 year taller and stronger and brighter, one step closer to being the best that I can be. Thank you for helping me. 1 year older, 1 year wiser, 1 year taller and stronger and brighter, one step closer to being the best that I can be. Thank you for helping me. Our lights are burning bright. Knowledge is a guiding light. Happy graduation day. We have come such a long way. Our lights are burning bright. Knowledge is a guiding light. Happy graduation day. We have come such a long way. We have come such a long way. We have come such a long way. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for that wonderful song. Now I'd like to call our respected principal ma'am to address the gathering.
Respected Chairman, Sir, Mr. Donald Shangshai, our Management Trustee, Mrs. Nirmali Ma'am, my proud graduates, parents, and teachers. It is an honor to be a part of our first graduation day. It is such a pleasure to share in the intensity of emotions filling in as a class that was resilient, tenacious, creative, talented, and resourceful is graduating. I can call you all the techno babies who began the renaissance of virtual education in preschool. Parents, you're probably wondering where the year has gone as you marvel at your daughter and son's accomplishments. It doesn't seem that long ago when these young adults who are being honored today were toddling off to start their preschool. Of course, living through this pandemic struggle to find ways to engage your children may have seemed like eternity for some parents as well, including me. With the closure of educational institutions during the lockdown, 32 crores of children in India alone are facing multiple challenges in education. Our graduates today are lucky to have dedicated parents and teachers who led them through the success path with consistent guidance. Children, you are the first batch of this century who will be graduating virtually. You are graduating at a time in the history when the whole world is dealing with the greatest challenge of human race. I'm happy that these challenges has made you all so strong that you have taken this as an opportunity to excel in any situation, may it be COVID, may it be any other challenge. Our classes were virtual, our assessments were virtual, our PTMs were virtual, our celebrations were virtual. Our fest was also virtual. So we thought, why not? This year, we will facilitate the graduation through virtual mode. The felicitation of young graduates dressed in robes and capes to be made virtual was our motto. For all these years, the chief guest would be conducting the ceremony of the conferment of graduation. But this year, for the first time ever, it would be the parents who sacrificed and tremendously supported at each step to sail through in this difficult times would be congratulating our graduates and honoring them with graduation certificates. My heartfelt gratitude to their care, initiation, and infinite love, along with everything else that they have done to equip our children to face the pandemic. Families made adjustments in their daily lives. Parents, grandparents, siblings became the co-teachers, setting up makeshift classrooms within their homes while continuing to work, some at homes and some as frontline warriors, putting their own lives in dangers. We don't stop here. This graduation has already shown us how capable we are of accomplishing our goals when we commit ourselves to them. I hope all of us here today can take this personal accomplishment as an example as to how anything is truly possible when we put our hearts and soul into it. As we all continue our lives, let us take each new problem with confidence, knowing that we have achieved greater heights and equipped with necessary tools to tackle any challenges in the future. On behalf of the management, teachers, operation team, I congratulate all the young graduates on this special occasion. Thank you, parents, for your unflinching support throughout the year. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for such a heartful speech. Now, to begin with the ceremony, I'd like to call your fabulous class teacher, Ms. Jaita, to start off with the ceremony. Ma'am?
Good morning, respected Chairman, sir, Nirmali ma'am, Principal ma'am, parents, and my dear colleagues. We have finally come to the end of the academic session of 2020. It was a pleasure being your teacher as we grew together in the teaching-learning process. You will be moving forward to the next grade, but let me tell you all, you will always be closest to my heart, being the first batch in this institution with me. My heartfelt blessings and prayers for your future growth, as well as hoping that the good values imbibed in you stays with you throughout your life. I have a small poem for you all. Hope you all like it. So here I go. I am so proud I was your teacher. I have watched you learn and grow. We have worked so hard and had so much fun. How fast did the year go? We had so many special times, but now it's time to part. Just know that you will always be special within my heart. Thank you, and God bless you all. Now, let me introduce you to the students of K2. Awesome Abhinav, the boy with an excellent handwriting.
Good morning, respect, principal ma'am, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. On behalf of our BDW Kindergarten Graduation Day, today is a very special day for me and my friends. Preschool has been very exciting. We learn a lot. Our class teachers made learning so much fun. I love my old teachers, parents, and my dear friends. So let us begin our journey to first standard. Thank you.
Adorable Arav, the boy with a smile always.
Good morning, dear principal ma'am, Joyita ma'am, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. I would like to thank you all for your love and support. I enjoy my online classes. It's learning with fun, but I want to go to school and meet my friends and teachers. Thank you.
Active Akshika, always ready with an answer in the class.
My name is Akshika Bhattacharjee. I am proud to study in BDW International School. I am looking forward to go to class 1. I am thankful to all my teachers and friends from KG2.
Lovable Diana Me, always attentive in the class, and my little granny.
My name is Zaina Maidingo and I study in class KG2. Today I would like to thank my beloved class teacher, Miss Joyita. I would also like to thank my beloved principal. It's graduation day, hooray! I've learned so much and come a long way. And through KG2, I've learned at Hanford. I'm graduating now. The time has come. Thank you.
Delicate Darsh, quiet in the class, but all the work on time.
Good morning, respected principal, teacher, and parents and fellow students. My name is Askalva. I love my school very much. I am grateful to my teacher, Ms. Jata, who has taught us during these tough times. I, along with my mother, has enjoyed every classes taken by you, ma'am. Thank you to all the teachers for my overall development.
Gentle Gianna, a very independent girl.
Hi, my name is Gianna Tesha Shilai. I want to thank BD, my school, BDW International School. I want to thank my teacher, Ms. Patataji. I learned many things in spite of this pandemic. Thank you.
Sweet Isamayan, the girl with an incredible determination.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Isamayan Simpilyang. Today, I finished class KG2. I love art and craft. Thank you to all my teachers. I will miss Miss Jaita. Thank you.
Joyous Jonathan, shy but an extremely well-mannered child.
My name is Hansen Sai. I study in BDW International School in K2. Thank you, Miss Jaita. Thank you, friends.
Versatile Kavish. Confident child is what describes Kavish.
Hello friends, my name is Kavish Jalan. I want to thank each and everyone to help me to enter the new phase of my life. This is all possible my class teacher and my PDW International School and my parents. Thank you.
Hardworking Kurajam always does the work given on time.
Respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends, today I am very happy for giving me this opportunity to say thank you to all of you for your given new knowledge. I will also treasure the good memories that we have and also taught me to be a better person. Thank you.
Energetic Numai, the little jolly boy of the class.
Thank you, Ms. JV, and all my teachers for patiently guiding me. This year is a tough year. You make my year a very exciting year. Thank you, Miss.
And last but not the least, lovable Vivan, my little Virat Kohli with lots of stories to share.
Good morning, teachers and parents and my dear friends. Today is a very important day from kindergarten. First, I like to thank my class teacher Joyita ma'am. I like to thank all of the teachers and management of BDW International School and parents to give us wings to fly. Our teachers have developed in us good study habits and moral values and self-discipline. You are wonderfully special and incredible special. We are forever grateful.
I'm so happy to see all my children graduated for the year with flying colors. And now, let us celebrate the moment with the graduation song.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, children, for facilitating the ceremony. I believe it was Whitney Houston that once said, I believe the children are our future. Teach them well and let them lead the way. Teach them well and let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess. Insight, give them a sense of pride to make it easier. Let the children's laughter remind us how we used to be. With this, we come to the end of our graduation ceremony. I would like to thank all the children for their hard work and dedication, the parents for their endless support and cooperation, the management, Sir Dhanush Siangshai, our trustee, Mrs. Nirmali Siangshai, our principal ma'am for always guiding us, my colleague, our staff members, and our technical team, for without their support, this event wouldn't have been possible. We'll look forward for the support and cooperation for all our future events. Thanking you all once again.
One year older, 1 year wiser, 1 year taller and stronger and brighter, one step closer to being the best that I can be. Thank you for helping me. 1 year older, 1 year wiser, 1 year taller and stronger and brighter, one step closer to being the best that I can be. Thank you for helping me. Our lights are burning bright. Knowledge is a guiding light. Happy graduation day. We have come such a